I am Jenber Casto. Today, I will be for the interview for the SP Carmila Rose Mila Di Mamay for the interview for the candidates for the elections 2025. Today, we're focusing on the candidates for the Sanguinang Panalawigan here in Antique. I prepared for the 3 questions for the to understand their platforms and their vision for our province. Okay, for the 3 questions, I will give you it. Question number 12. Twice ako ha. Okay. What steps will you take to ensure transparency and accountability in your governance? What steps will you take to ensure transparency and accountability in your governance? Starts now.
Okay, Jennifer, to ensure accountability and transparency is being open to the public. So, dapat ang tanan yung mga gina-approve natin Reja, kag mga proyekto ka province, i-post natin, not in social media, but also in our transparency board. We have to let the people know, pira ang kwarta ka probinsya, diin nag-agto nga proyekto, ano rin ang status na. So, in that way, we can make sure that our governance is transparent and accountable.
Okay. Question number 2. What is your stance on insert a relevant local policy issue, environmental protection, infrastructure development, education reform? What is your stance on insert a relevant local policy issue, environmental protection, infrastructure development, and education reform? Starts now.
Okay, for environmental protection, we need to make sure that the province of Antique, the development will be sustainable. So, dapat, we have to make sure that we will not allow mining in our province if there is no safeguard or guidelines. Second is, in infrastructure development, we need to make sure that the infrastructure development is kinahanglan gid katawo. So, if they need roads, it needs to be roads. If they need water supply, it would be water supply. And for educational reform, we need to create an environment wherein all our learners can learn.
Okay. 3 questions ha. Last question. Dapat ang sentence 5 or 4 pp. At sige. How will you foster collaboration with the governor and other members of the Sanguinang Panalawigan? How will you foster collaboration with the governor and other members of the Sanguinang Panalawigan? Starts now.
Okay, Jennifer, I think to foster collaboration, the first key is for you to listen. By listening, kung diin ang direction nila, and then after listening is to really understand, and by that, offer a hand of support and cooperation. That way, we will have a very healthy collaboration para sa ikamayad ng probinsya ng Antique.
Okay, conclusion. Thanks for watching. I hope this interview series has provided you with valuable insights into the candidates running for the Sanguinang Panalawigan. Remember to do your own research and make informed decisions when you vote. Your vote matters. Let's work together to elect leaders who will effectively serve the people of Antique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. And I am Jenber Casto, the host, interviewer, vlogger, and thank you very much, Kasimanwa. And please for the Jenber Talk channel will be for the episode, and please for subscribe in this YouTube channel.
Jenber, we are already elected.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Jenber.
Bye.